to the bay. Landed in Sydney, nothing's changed. It's still so beautiful in ways I will never be. The dogs are still in Parliament, and every summer day is spent under the shade down by the fence. Cricket on TV, the desert cracks under the sun. The farmers wait for rains to come. We all have our own race to run sometimes. And everything we read about, I would believe, but I'm in doubt on what's left in and what's left out this time. No way will we run, no way will we run and hide under a southern sky, under a southern sky, under a southern sky. There's beach towels laid out on the shore, when no one needs or wants for more, and all the radio is for is monotony. An eastern suburbs housewife yawns, and while the gardener mows her lawns, we all just smile and play along. And why wouldn't we? It's easier to be undone than it is to stand and run. It's easier to feel it's come onside. The dream they'll sell you isn't much like the reality, but underneath it all is dust and time.
I just want to deserve to reinforce a brand WCT, so that's why I just put in my mind today is arrive my day, you know. And before it is the day in Sydney a couple of years ago in 2004 when I won the World Junior Championship, and right now it's gonna be the best experience, you know. I'm betting everything I won it, so I'm really happy to be a champion in Dakar 2009.